All right, Action FX here, nothing much. All right, so quick trade recap for me this particular week. So this particular video is going to show you 3 trades I actually took this week. Nothing much. How I executed the trade, why I exited the trade, and how I lose the trade and all that. So all you just need to do is stay to the end of this particular video so you can see what you can learn from this particular video. Chat, show chat your chat so that chat will not forget to chat you. All right, so you are welcome to my chat, and I'm going to start by the first trade I actually lose or lost. All right, so it is actually GBP USD, and as you can see, this is why I enter this trade and this is why I lose this particular trade. As you can see, I identify my structural break to the upside, and price is actually uptrend. Price has been uptrend, and that's the reason why I actually was looking for buyer's opportunity. All right, so nothing much. This particular opportunity ended up becoming an invalid opportunity, and I can do nothing about it. All right, so for the next, and let me see why I lose this particular trade is probably because price want to switch to downtrend. Nothing much. For the next trade, which is Euro USD, here is it, and here is why I actually lost it as well. I see this week I was trading against the trend. I think I can say that. So this market structure shift came from an external demand zone. That is why I actually entered. If not in the normals, I hit entering market structure shift entries in the environment of SMC strategy. But it is what it is. I entered this one because price was coming from an external demand zone, which I did not draw at the moment. So as you can see, price gave me my liquidity, my MSS shift and all that, and as you can see, it ended up becoming a drastic loss. Trade that even if I did not use stop loss, I would have kept losing. So for the only trade I won, which is XAUUSD, nothing much. Here is why I entered this particular trade. Price is actually uptrend in XAUUSD. All right, price has been uptrend, so I entered this particular trade because why? Price is uptrend, and price actually mitigated an external demand zone, gave this push to the upside, and also I identified the nearest break of structure, which is this particular one, right? I identified the point of interest, which is the other block, the liquidity, and as you can see, price delivered perfectly fine for me in this particular trade, and is even still currently pushing.